Folks, this is new styles of travel trailers by Keystone Reign. Isn't it beautiful? And you know what? One thing, I will buy this unit for one reason. I love those LED light on the front and the side and the red in the back. But what they decide Keystone to make with the Reign product is to make it automotive outside look. So this is a special fiberglass in the front as well on the wall, vacuum bonded, still the same warranty. And it gives you the nice look in the front and the back. They added the LED lights on the front, LED light on the side, typical pass-through storage with the 220-watt solar panel controller flex. And this is a big deal. It has a frameless window. Look how beautiful. There's vents over there for your kitchen. And then you have a big window. I love the use solid metal wheel fender skirt, so you don't have the plastic. Look at the frame. Cameraman, show them. It's bolted frame, galvanized, and so they don't rust like the other black frame. Also, look how beautiful the back. Just the back, the red light. Imagine you're driving like this. And again, those lights, they're on a switch. You could dim them or you could turn them off. Spare tires off. You have a solid bumpers behind you, so you could store your sewer hose and give you more protection as a buffer area for your trailer. Endless hot water heater, 30 amp power cord. Solid. Slide out, frameless window. All the hookup for the sewage is set higher from the ground, so you don't have no problem going off-road. And then you have the other pass-through storage. I like everything is in one docking stations where you have the hot water, the city water connections, and the tank flush, as well the outside shower, hot and cold, all that in one area. That's a big deal. And then you have the nice metal in the front with the propane covers, propane tank, and electric tank jack. Now, folks, let's go inside. What does 19RK from inside look like? Okay. Folks, we're inside the beautiful Reign 19RK. They did it this time right, especially it's 19 foot, but they give you a lot of counter space, a lot of eating area, a lot of dining. It's more nice trailers than what they thought before. Let's start with this smart LED lights strip inside, but look how the amazing 19 rear kitchen. Look the amazing of this kitchen in the back. Whole trailer is a kitchen. They're starting from the convection microwave oven. You have the nice 2-burner range, towel rack. This is nice sink cover or punching board, cutting board. Big deep sink, and then we're giving you the waterfall or the spray or waterfall. Nice prep area around the sink on the right side, and you have a storage here. You could put a trash can, whatever you like. More storage here, storage, and all the front is storage as well there. They give you the biggest 10.7 12-volt reefer, the big one. And again, no worries, we have 220-watt solar. But look how beautiful this counter space and the island. I could use it nice, serve me coffee, serve me food. Nice, the look to the ocean and the river, and I could see a beautiful people sitting back there. And then I could watch TV while I'm eating, and wife serving food, or I get food to the wife, either or. They give you the storage underneath it. And then this TV is on a swing bracket. You could swing it, and I'll show you. You open this, that's safety travel, and you swing it, and you could get it more if I want. And when I sit here on this beautiful recliners, voila, I'm sitting relaxed enjoying my movie. And also the wife, when she's in the kitchen fixing things to eat, she could enjoy the movie too. And people sitting on the table, they could watch the movie, no problem. And then you have 2 seating area, plus this sofa turned to a jackknife sofa, and sleep 1 grandkids or 1 adult. You know, it's this trailer, I call it, is for papa mom trailers. They like to take something small with them, but very roomy. Also, this is a 12-volt TV. It could run off 12 volt. As well, it has a stereo AM FM. The functionality, even if you close the slide, you could still get to the bathroom with no problem. And then if I'm done, We'll just put it this way and lock it. And it's locked. Now, somebody is going to tell me, I don't like this design because I see the bathroom. Well, you don't have to see the bathroom. You have a nice, beautiful pocket door where you have a full separate room here. You have your reclined sofa. You have a bar stool with a big counterspade dinette. And you have a big kitchen. And you don't have to see the bathroom. And nobody could see the bathroom or the toilet. So this is another feature. Now, when you walk in here, you have a beautiful pocket door. Look how roomy it is. Nice mirrors. I like that vents. I love these vents. I like just to turn them on and look at the light. Beautiful vents with the light, mirrors, storage. Hidden sink, because everybody has asked me, where is the sink? Well, here's the sink. You have a hidden sink here. So come with the sink. Hot and what? But it's hidden. You take it off of your way, and then you sit here in the toilet. No problem for your knees. And then here's you have the nice standing shower with a bright skylight, and then this one and a big shower head. And then from here, let me just turn the fan, and you close it, and you're going over here. You have a beautiful queen bed with the storage around the right and the left. There's another hookup here for a TV if you want to put a second TV, and there's a storage underneath the bunk. Underneath the queen bed. Look how deep is the storage. I love the LED light underneath. And again, these stuff you could see at night, easy, bright. And then you have window here on both sides for wind circulations. And also, if you don't want nobody see what you're doing in your bedroom, which is your business, close this door. Reign 19RK, come see it. It's a beautiful floor plan, and you could afford to tow it in your V6 vehicle and small vehicle, and the price, no one could match us in the state of California.